Imagine a tiny factory working round the clock, performing over 500 tasks to keep your body running smoothly. This is your liver, the unsung hero of your body. Just like any factory, it needs regular maintenance to function at its best. Enter the world of natural liver detox and repair. A cocktail of potent nutrients like artichoke extract, milk thistle, dandelion root, turmeric, and berberine, all working in harmony to rejuvenate your liver. Think of artichoke extract as the foreman, stimulating bile production and improving liver function. Milk thistle, the safety officer, protecting the liver from harmful toxins. Dandelish root, turmeric, and berberine, the diligent workers, aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and boosting your immune system. 30 days is all it takes. A month of care to renew your liver with 11 natural nutrients. A small investment for a big reward. So whether you're a marathon runner or a weekend hiker, remember, your performance is only as good as your liver's health. Give your liver the love it deserves. Start your detox and repair journey today. After all, a healthy liver means a healthier you.